Fishing today, and I got Terry with me, and we're going to try this other spot here at this other boat launch, and hopefully find some stuff, or we can get some stuff, whatever, like I did last time. So stay tuned on this video, and hopefully we get something. Okay, well, we're going to use our 1,200-pound double-sided magnet. Terry and I got pretty much the same one. Terry's over there in the dock right now, and he's going to try off there, and I thought, well, I'm going to try off this boat launch. So let's hope for the best, and maybe we might find something that's really interesting to show everyone. Stay tuned. Well, I tried a little bit off the boat launch there. I didn't find no luck. So Terry and I are both now on this dock here now. We're going to see what we can find here. Hopefully something. So these are handy to have. You don't get no tangles in your rope. I'm going to tie off somehow, just so I don't lose nothing. All right, we're going to give it a whirl and see what we got. Watch me fall off the dock. That'd be a good YouTube video. This is me swimming for my magnet. Been there, done that. Well, guys, we didn't find nothing much at this dock at all. So we're going to go back over where I was at on the last video, whatever, where I found the fish hooks and the whistle and everything. And we're going to go back and try over there, and maybe we'll have a bit better success. So stay tuned. Got something. Look at that. Got ourselves a little spinner hook. Well, we'll put that in our bucket. Perfect. Let's hope we can find some more. Yeah, Terry's got rusty old bell. Right on. There we go, we never got skunked. Right on, one each.
That looks like a new spinner, eh?
Not a bad little hook, eh?
Oh yeah, she's right. Mangled.
Oh yeah. I wonder how long it was down there. Could have been down there too long, just still shiny.
Yeah.
So, oh well, at least trying. At least we had better luck here than we did at the other dock.
I will hang it up.
Yeah, but well, we got something here. Well, we got ourselves a little screw, and we darn found ourselves a nice little washer. Well, that's better than nothing. Guess we'll keep on magnet fishing here. All right, let's see what
Off my magnet here.
you see it.
It's right here.
Heavy. Oh, please be some metal. Need some help?
It's a,
Oh, nice
it's
one.
a plate for a railroad track.
Look at that.
I've got to grab that couple of
Good catch. That's some cash money right there.
200 ones.
Oh yeah, it's got some nice weight to it.
We didn't think it'd pull that weight in.
Awesome. That is awesome. Look at
I
that.
think it's a railroad tie, eh?
Yeah.
Isn't that what that is for the
I
track?
don't know what the heck that'd be
For the
for.
railroad track, no?
You sure that's what it's for? Maybe somebody had it one time for a boat anchor. Kind of a flat boat anchor.
See how far it was down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That's perfect.
For the railroad track, I think. There railroads around here?
No, nothing.
Sweet.
Right on. See, it just shows you what you can always find something when you're magnet fishing. So we're gonna keep it up here in the spot. Obviously this is starting to be a good spot compared to our last spot. So we're gonna keep trying a few times here, and then we'll work on a different spot. But it looks like we're doing good here. Terry just said he likes it here. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep on fishing here. Yeah, another good hefty find.
Another old Corona cap.
Heck, you know.
Down there for a while.
We'll throw that in the bucket. Maybe we'll catch a loon. I don't know if I got something or not. I think I do. Oh yeah, I got something. I got something.
A hook?
Huh. At the end of a bungee cord.
I noticed that they got these 2x4s with bungee.
Ah, good. Some more metal for the bucket.
Another catch of the day. Leg bolt. Put it in the bucket.
Okay. No cash money for us.
Definitely seems to be the spot people lose stuff.
Yeah, no doubt. Maybe this. Another find. Right on.
Looks like you had a snake.
Look at that. And that ain't no sea snake. It's got a carabiner on it?
Yep.
I wonder if it was to tie one of these kayaks or something at one time. Right on.
Doesn't work.
Seized up? Yeah, so must have been down there for quite a while. Still,
Another
it's
find
another
of the day.
find.
Good strap.
Heck yeah. Yeah, we can put that to use.
Doesn't look like it's that old.
Yeah, you can tell though it's been down there for a long time because of the how black the carabiner and stuff is.
Unless it was a black carabiner.
Put a little bit of WD-40 to it, it might be still good.
Starting to work. Yep.
Right on.
Put it in the bucket.
Well, you're doing better than me this time. It's about time, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at
We can say we took out of the lake.
that. All right.
Put that in the
Awesome. I think we hit the prize honey hole.
It's got rubber on it too, and it still picked it up. Oh, and I got a leader.
Oh, you got a leader too. Right on.
But even with rubber on it, it still picks it up.
That's still good.
Yeah.
I could use that for my holiday trailer.
Yeah. Put it in the bucket.
Right on. Make some more cat.
Our bucket's getting really full, eh?
Heck yeah.
Gotta be some nuts for that down there somewhere. Little bent.
Okay, you
Still
found
good,
something. It's a bonus.
Oh.
Check out for the viewers what we got. What you got. You're getting more stuff than me today.
Nice
Yeah.
little U-bolt.
Some cash for the bank.
Yeah, another find. It's in the bucket.
Well, we were going to go over there and try on that dock over here, but there's some nice folk over there. They're trying to get their, what do you call it, their boats, I guess, in the water and stuff. But I think we're going to move over to that dock, and then we're going to try on that side of the boat launch and go from there and see what we can find. If not, we're going to come back to this spot here. Okay, I think we got something. Nope, switch off. What do you got there? It's like a metal rod. I could have sworn there was something else down there. It felt pretty heavy. I think I got something here. I think I got something. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look got a knife. Check this out. Got ourselves a knife. Ah, there's a nice find. It's not even rusted or nothing. Clean up some old fish with that. Not very sharp. Have to sharpen that puppy up. Right on. First knife I've ever caught. I'll try again. I gotta hide mine. I gotta hide
That's
this.
been down there a long time.
All right, Terry's got something. See what goodies he's found.
Been down there a while.
Well, he's got himself an leader too, eh?
Yep.
Oh, well, that could be cleaned up.
It's been there a while. The paint's off of it.
Yeah, we can put a hook on it. It'll be like new
Blue
again.
fox.
What's the name of it? Right on. Good find. Got a bug in my.
Another fish hook.
Caught my glasses. Right on, good catch.
First fish hook though.
All right, folks, what we're gonna do, Terry and I are gonna switch magnets with the ropes. I got with about 575 pound rope pull. And I think with my rope, because it's sinking or whatever, and with the weight of the water, the rope being wet, I think I can't throw it out as far as Terry, but far enough where I'm still finding a lot of good goodies. So we're gonna switch or whatever, and we're gonna see how far I can throw his compared to how far he throws mine. We'll just see it through this test.
Put another nail in the bucket.
And he found another nail. See what happens when you throw it out further? Okay, I want to try and tear these.
How much rope you got out here?
Well, I can go a little bit further out. Look the same as me, eh? So it's definitely the rope. Definitely the rope. But one thing about it, that rope ain't gonna break.
This is yours is heavier to pull into with the rope.
Hey?
It's heavier to pull into.
Yeah. One time I'll get another rope. Well, it's an $80 rope. I think it's good for what I'm using it for anyway. Put a bigger magnet on it. You might get some more distance out of it, or you may not.
Maybe.
Rock. Would you be mad if I caught something?
No.
Cool. That's when it's nice to, I gotta get some microphones. Nope, rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, it doesn't go any other far.
Yeah, you can't get it out as far with that heavy rope. But one good thing about, to break that rope, is it'll take a heck of a force.
Yeah, we hook a truck to that one.
Well, check this out with Terry's. We got ourselves another nail. Check it out. Check it out, everyone. We got ourselves another nail. We're finding all kinds of goodies today. All right, well, we did our test or whatever and found out, yes, my rope is way heavier being wet like that. But we still get it out far enough to find goodies and stuff like that. But, yeah, I can throw Terry's a little bit further than I can with my own, but I do have a heavier rope. And like I say, when it gets wet, it's going to make it a lot heavier. But with that rope, it'll take a lot of force to even break that rope. So I'm still happy with it, and we're going to keep on magnet fishing for a little bit longer. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah, I definitely could feel like just.
Did you get something?
What it is? Oh, it's fuck yeah, it's fair fire, bitch.
What did you get? Awesome. Score. Oh yeah, that's video footage there. Right on. Terry got a nice find there.
Couldn't tell what it was. I just seen red. It was like a lobster claw.
Good job. He's just found the ultimate honey hole.
Down there. Oh,
that's awesome. Terry got himself a pair of pliers. Do they work?
Yep.
Oh, they still work. Look at that. Yeah, definitely. The guy cleaned them up, whatever. They're still good.
Put those in my tackle box.
For sure. Good catch.
Yeah.
Very good catch.
Lots of stuff in the lake today.
Yeah, we're getting lots of goodies today here. Maybe we'll stay next to 10 minutes.
I like this magnet. It's nice.
And what do I got? Oh, I got a little tiny piece of wire. Well, Terry's outdoing me. Look at that catch, a little tiny piece of wire. Oh well, one thing about it, it's not going in somebody's foot. That's the main thing. So we'll put that in the bucket so nobody gets hurt. Well, try again. I better not wrap the rope around my leg. That'll be a good YouTube video, eh? Get thrown in the lake by your own rope. Almost sounds like first I thought I did have something, but obviously not. And maybe it's for the cam.
One more find for the day. I can get it off of here.
Yourself a nice nut.
Too bad it wasn't a pair of nuts.
Get it tangled up with you. I still feel my magnet's still sitting out there in the water. But, well, better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Better than nothing. That's what I always say. Well, folks, I think that's a wrap for today. And we did pretty good on the magnet fishing. And, well, Terry got that chunk of steel and found a few fish hooks and leaders. I'm really happy that I caught that knife. Like I said, it was the first knife I ever caught magnet fishing. So we had a great time doing it and stuff, and I hope you guys liked the video. And our thoughts and prayers are going to the poor people up there up north in Alberta and British Columbia, you know, with the forest fires and stuff. And I hope they're going to be okay. And just remember, you guys up there, you're always in our minds, and you guys make sure you're very safe. And we'll call this a wrap. And I guess stay tuned for the next videos that we put out, and just hit that like button, and you know, if you like the video, and maybe even that subscribe button too. And hope the heck everybody likes the video, and everybody play safe. Enjoy it. See you next time.